Hey everyone, Kaikane here. Today I'm going to talk about why you must always look your best when teaching English abroad, especially in private English lessons. One of the most important factors in teaching English, and one that must be practiced constantly if you want to make loads of coin teaching English overseas. As my super cool U.S. Army 3-star general father always taught me, dress your best and be better than the rest. The first impression lasts the longest and is always the most important. Therefore, always look fashionable, hip, stylish, be on top of trends, be a fashionista, wear nice colognes, perfumes, wear nice accessories, and look like a model if you can. If you can manage to do all that, then you will obviously have more students than you can ever imagine. Not to mention, you'll be the coolest, hippest, and most best-dressed elite English specialist in all of wherever you are. Okay, now gotta go. Be sure to check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume and reference services as well. Have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.